Kuom riwruoge makende ratich oganda ochao ikruok ma thor wach e romo mar lokruok ma chal ma kor lwasi monywando pinje Afrika ma dhi chakore pacho ka ndi odiochieng' makiny. Kwethno maluongore ni Pan African Climate Justice Alliance okoni romo no odewo jo pinje mag sungu moloyo dwach oganda jo Afrika. Gikoni riwruoge ma ok mag piny owacho oketenge chenro mar keto kenge motelo ne romo no.
And we believe that the climate change is not the issue of environmental science, it's also the issue of economic crisis of the country, of the continent, and the issue of the livelihood and the survival of indigenous peoples who are the custodians of indigenous knowledge and indigenous knowledge systems on resilience, mitigation, and adaptation. So as she said that we need a participation. We have been participating in all global climate change initiative processes, but
those that have caused the problem by polluting, the problem of biodiversity loss, the problem of climate change, are the ones that we are now putting blind faith in to come and solve the problem that we have. And we need to question that.
Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto gi sani osechopo